In today's video, we're exploring the stunning world of crystal mineral kitchen designs, where luxury meets nature in the most extraordinary ways. First, picture a $500,000 kitchen countertop made from rare quartz crystals, shimmering in the light with vibrant hues and intricate mineral patterns. Next, we have a $350,000 island made entirely from onyx, with built-in lighting that highlights its natural veining, creating a glowing centerpiece in the heart of the home. For those who love opulence, there's a $450,000 crystal mineral backsplash made from a combination of amethyst and geodes, transforming the kitchen into an awe-inspiring work of art. And for added elegance, some of these kitchens feature custom-made crystal chandeliers, priced around $100,000, casting a dazzling glow over the entire space. These kitchens are more than just places to cook. They're masterpieces, combining beauty, rarity, and unmatched craftsmanship.